When it comes to maintaining your refrigerator, ensuring it defrosts correctly is crucial for its efficiency and longevity. That's where the WR51X443 refrigerator defrost heater assembly steps in, designed to be compatible with GE General Electric refrigerators. This component is vital for anyone experiencing issues with their refrigerator's defrost cycle, and it promises not only to fix these problems but also to enhance the appliance's overall performance. The WR51X443 assembly is a high-quality replacement part that matches several part numbers, including WR51X0344, WR51X0345, and WR51X0461, among others. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice for numerous GE refrigerator models. It's essential, however, to verify the compatibility with your specific model to ensure smooth operation. One of the standout features of this defrost heater assembly is the inclusion of two glass tube heaters. Each measures 10 to 12 inches long and comes with a metal shield. This design is not just about durability, but also about efficient heat distribution during the defrost cycle. The glass tube heaters ensure that any ice buildup is melted quickly and evenly, preventing cooling issues and ensuring that your refrigerator runs as it should. The WR51X443 is marketed under the brand XIW, known for its compact and efficient appliance replacement parts. This particular model, the WR51X443 refrigerator defrost heater, is no exception. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.